I think they last... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that's a little bit different from what I usually have for you. I'm gonna do a, I don't know, talk through contact review maybe. I don't know, something. It's about the contacts that I use. I get a lot of questions. I had a request for a video on these contacts, so I have several here that I'm going to demonstrate, like put on and show you and talk about a little bit. So Ttdeye, I'm so glad I found them because they have a whole lot of different contacts and plus free shipping. And when you get your contacts, they come in, like, you get this little case. They don't come in the case, but they come, you know, in their little package. And then you get these little pinchers, tweezers, pinchers, grippers, yeah. And then this guy, which is a little wand that you put the contact on. And you get the little container to put them in to keep them put away. So we're going to start with cream green, and these are a very bright type of green. So you keep them in your little container like that, and it has a right side and a left side mark, so you know which one you which one goes in which eye. So usually, here, I'm gonna try to show you guys. I just grab it by the edge of the pincher. What should we call this little guy? Contact gripper. And you put it on the wand and insert into the eye. Some people like to do it with their finger. I used to do that, but once when they sent me these, I was like, ooh, that's really clever, and actually makes it easier to do. So I pull down my eyeball, stick it right on there, blink a few times, make sure this is in the right place, and voila! And that is Queen Green, my real eyeball, and the Queen Green. So usually they cover up the brown really well. It has a very small center opening or circle, and I really like that about the Queen series. The ones that I have, the circle is very small, and you'll see the difference as I show you. They're really comfortable. Now every time you take them out, you want to put clean solution. Don't put them in the same dirty, because that will not help you out. It'll actually hurt your eyes, and it will shorten the lifespan of your contacts. Ttdeye contacts last up to a year, and if you take really good care of them, which means put them in clean solution every time. And when I take them off, pinch them off. So maybe I should just put both of them in so you guys can see how they look on both eyes. Do that again. And the next one. And there you go. That is Queen Green, which I like to wear sometimes for fun. Okay, now I'm going to take them off. Pinch them right off. And put them away. Step Queen Gray, which are my most favorite ones. They are just a beautiful color, and I really like that the center the center circle is very small. I like that because it gives it more of a, it covers more of the brown in my eyes, so it can look a little more natural, especially from further away. And every contact order comes with their own little wand and pincher. I'm just gonna say pincher. I don't know what to call it really. That is the contact by itself. I'll put it in my eyeball. And the other one. Now you can see the center hole is very small and sometimes too much solution. Okay, so that is Queen Gray, which you see me wear every time I do an Amy Lee makeup tutorial. And these are my favorite. They are super comfortable. I don't even feel them. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I need to take these off. I think they last like 8 hours, I want to say, is the longest you can wear them comfortably, and then they start kind of, your eyes get tired, I think. Or at least mine get tired after like 8 hours, I think, yeah. But that is the Queen Gray, my most favorite. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. When you store them, I store mine in the bathroom, which is probably not the best place because of the heat and the, I don't know. You do have to check them, like maybe every twice, every 2 weeks maybe, to make sure that the solution hasn't evaporated, because the solution will evaporate and then you'll have these little crinkly contacts. So make sure you check up on your contacts. The next ones that I'm going to show you are called HD Gray, and sometimes you get different little containers in different cases, which makes it easier to tell which one's which if you don't have like the same color and the same. But I like to write the name on the case with a Sharpie, and it fades, but just keep writing it. Alright, or you can put one of those like sticker label things if you have one of those. So, this is HD Gray. See, the color is very almost white, I want to say. Very neutral. There's no greenish tone like the Queen Gray have a greenish tone to them. Okay, and this is the HD Gray. So the center circle is a little bit bigger than the Queen Gray, but the gray color has more of a true gray tone, so they look kind of bluish against my eyes, but that is, yeah. Okay, so this was the first pair that I bought, the Polar Lights Gray. And I think they're the most, the least expensive. They're not really expensive. I think the Queen Gray are the most expensive. But they always have sales, and if you catch them on sale, then you are in luck. That's what I try to do. I try to get the sale, and if you use the 10% off discount code, you still get the 10% off, so. And that helps a lot too when you get the 10% off to lower the price for you. I think these are one of the more popular ones, and they're also very, very neutral in tone. And again, the center hole is a little bit bigger than the Queen Gray. Did I say center hole? I always say hole. I mean circle, the center circle. Those are the Polar Lights Gray. The color is very neutral, as you can see. It looks very gray, very light. Now you can see a little bit more of the brown in my eye. Alright guys, well, that was my demonstration of all the gray contacts. Next time I'll try to do different ones that I have, because I have several ones that are different. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will also have pictures with me wearing the different contacts so you can see it in photos too. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and as always, rock on. My Queen Gray, which you see me wear every time I do a Amy Lee makeup tutorial. I go with the Queen Gray. And Queen Gray has a little bit of a green, no wait, these are not Queen Gray, these are Queen Green. Oops. See, I try to label them, but these are Queen Green, never mind. Queen Green. I'll get to Queen Gray eventually. Or next. Give it a thumbs up, and as always... and as always,